A sign at the end of a driveway lined with palm trees says, Caldera. The driveway leads to a clubhouse with fountains and landscaping outside. Inside, a lounge is decorated with bright minimalist furnishings and plants. An outdoor pool and hot tub are surrounded by shades and lounge chairs. Near the pool is a covered barbecue area. Beyond the pool, pathways and landscaped yards fill the areas between apartment buildings with terracotta tile roofs. The gym contains weights, treadmills and other workout equipment. Sofas and chairs are arranged around a fireplace and TV. More bench seating stretches along a wall. A tap of beer is installed in a kitchenette. Meeting rooms contain tables, chairs and windows. An apartment is furnished with modern furniture in neutral brown and green hues. It has an open-plan kitchen that looks out into a living room. The countertops and cabinets are white. The unit contains a washer and dryer and stainless steel appliances. A bathroom is connected to a spacious bedroom. The bathroom contains a shower bath and closet. The unit has an office with more closet space. Text: equal housing opportunity, handicap accessible.